Welcome back, folks, to On Site with Juan. We're out here in unincorporated Schaumburg taking care of another roofing project. As you can see behind us here, the guys have the upper level roof already stripped off. We're cleaning it off right now so we can prepare for our underlayment. And I wanted to show you a little bit about the materials we're installing today. So today we're installing GAF Timberline HDZ in pewter gray. And what we're doing for our customers, at a minimum for our customers, they're getting the System Plus warranty. So GAF Timberline already has a limited lifetime warranty on their products, but if you don't buy into the system warranty, it has a 10-year coverage and then it steadily drops down. So what we're doing is we're doing the System Plus warranty as a base minimum for our customers. And what that means is we have to put not only the shingles from GAF Timberline, but also 3 accepted components that are considered part of the System Plus warranty minimum. Okay, so in this case, we have the GAF Pro Start starter strip. Okay, we have our GAF Ice and Water Shield. And our third accessory is going to be the GAF TimberTex. Now, the customer has already a laminated ridge cap. So the TimberTex is actually a double layer ridge cap. And with this little profile design here, it actually gives it a nice raised profile look when you bend it onto the house. So by purchasing the System Plus warranty for our customers, we are increasing that coverage from the manufacturer from a 10-year coverage for material and labor to a 50-year coverage if there's a manufacturer defect. So they're going to cover the products because we went a little above and beyond for our customers and made sure that they had the quality products that they're buying from us, but they now have a 50-year manufacturer defect warranty that covers material and labor for all of the components on the roof. Stay tuned for more, folks. Juan Vasquez, Phoenix Exteriors, 630-677-7663. Take care.